Hi, folks. We're here with the ChrisVossShow.com and Kingston Technology, and we're going to be putting a computer together. This is going to be pretty exciting. We're using the Kingston HyperX chips that we're going to have and the Kingston HyperX SSD cards.
It's HyperX Beast.
Oh, the HyperX Beast cards. Okay.
Beast.
The Beast. The Beast. So we're going to be putting these into a computer, showing you how easy and entertaining and fun, and how you could really build a super powerful gaming computer or overclocking computer, whatever you want to take and do. Get the best experience you can out of your computing and your technology. We're going to show you how to build it with a computer. So we'll be putting that together. Keep staying tuned and keep watching the ChrisVossShow.com.
ChrisVossShow.com.
That's it.
All right.